6 Big Changes by the new UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. Today's video will be discussing Keir Starmer's immediate priorities as the UK Prime Minister. This video will definitely change your life, so I highly suggest you to watch the full video till the end, as the newly elected Prime Minister Keir Starmer has laid out his key priorities. To address the urgent issues facing the UK, here are the key topics discussed in today's video update: immigration reforms, resolving NHS strikes, addressing the prisons crisis, planning reform for housing, improving relations with devolved nations, rebuilding EU relations. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more immigration updates. First change, immigration reforms. First possible change will be around immigration reforms. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer wasted no time in addressing immigration issues. His first move was to scrap the controversial Rwanda immigration scheme, which cost millions without deporting a single person. Starmer plans to introduce a border security bill in his first King's Speech aimed at curbing small boat crossings and enhancing border security. Next will be resolving NHS strike. Resolving NHS strikes. The NHS is a critical concern for Starmer's administration. Health Secretary West Streeting has already initiated discussions with the British Medical Association (BMA) to end the ongoing pay dispute with junior doctors. Starmer aims to deliver an additional 40,000 appointment scans and operations weekly, while also considering input from former Health Secretary Alan Milburn to reduce NHS waiting lists. And another change, addressing the prisons crisis, will be on addressing the prisons crisis. England and Wales face a prisons crisis with occupancy rates nearing full capacity. Starmer's strategy includes maintaining the early release scheme and appointing James Timson as prison minister to review sentencing and reduce reoffending rates. This approach aims to alleviate overcrowding and enhance the effectiveness of the prison system. Planning reform for housing. Fourth possible change will be on planning reform for housing. Starmer is set to overhaul the planning system to expedite major infrastructure projects. His administration has committed to building 1.5 million new homes, focusing on brownfield and grey belt sites. This ambitious plan is expected to drive significant changes in housing development, leveraging Labour's majority in the House of Commons. Fifth change, 5 improving relations with devolved nations, revolves around improving relations with devolved nations. Starmer's For Nations tour underscores his commitment to resetting relations with Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. He aims to establish constructive working relationships and address regional challenges, including NHS issues in Wales and trade barriers in Northern Ireland. As possible change will be about rebuilding EU relations. Rebuilding EU relations. Starmer seeks to reset the UK's relationship with the EU. He has initiated discussions with European leaders to enhance economic cooperation and reduce trade friction. This includes negotiating a veterinary agreement to smooth post-Brexit trade. SD's swift actions reflect his dedication to addressing the immediate and pressing issues facing the UK, setting a proactive tone for his premiership. This video ends here. Don't forget to comment below and share your opinion with me. Thanks for watching today's video update.